Hi, my name is Janelle McClarty, the owner of EncoreWebsites.com, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to log into your Shopify account. Just logging in, how to get there. So, first step is to go to Shopify and press login on the top right hand corner. You're going to enter in your store address, so I have that saved. You should save that as well. Once you create a Shopify account, you'd have to save that information. Then you have to enter in your email address. So I have that saved as well. That info. Copy and paste. And then your password. And then you're logged in. So it's just the simple fact of you, when you create your account, you should definitely go in and have a system of where you save all your passwords. So make sure you save your actual Shopify address right here. You're going to need that. Make sure you save the email address that you used. You're going to need that. And then obviously save the password that you used. As you saw before, I use a spreadsheet to save my passwords. I also use a password manager for other passwords. So you should do the same as well. So that's how you log into your Shopify store once it's created. Once again, my name is Janelle McClarty, the owner of EncoreWebsites.com. We provide website design, marketing, and consulting services. And if you do have any other questions, feel free to comment on this video. If you have other video ideas or videos you want me to make, leave a comment as well. Make sure to subscribe. I post videos like this every week on Tuesdays and now Thursdays. All right, thanks for watching.